Hi guys, I'm Steve XFR, and thank you for watching my new video. I already prepared a 10 episode about sailing, and I wish I can tell you as soon as possible, but before, I have to talk about Earth in order to make it easier in the future videos. Around 4.5 billion years ago, the solar system was still in its process of formation. The Earth was just one of the many protoplanets that orbited the Sun. Among these protoplanets was a small, Mars-sized planet that had a name Theia. Its orbit is put around a collision course of the Earth. The impact very nearly destroyed our planet. Fortunately, our Earth survived. The collision knocked out the planet over tilting to the Earth's axis of rotation. A huge amount of debris was blasted into space. Gradually, this debris captured by the Earth's gravity, which formed the Moon. If it's June 21st today, I'll be standing on the street of Abu Dhabi with my baseball cap, and I found out that the Sun is directly overhead. If we were to trace a line from Abu Dhabi right around the globe, we'd be marking a line of latitude, but also the furthest point north at which the midday sun is directly overhead. This is the Tropic of Cancer, and because the Earth is tilted at 23.4 degrees from the vertical, the Tropic of Cancer is 23.4 degrees above the equator. The solstice marked the day on which the Earth's tilt had its strongest impact on the northern hemisphere, which is leaning to its maximum extent toward the sun. Therefore, on the solstice, we will be experiencing the longest day of the year. The June solstice also defines another significant line of latitude. As the northern hemisphere points toward the sun, the Arctic experiences 24 hours of daylight. On the solstice, the midnight sun reaches its maximum extent, a line marked by the Arctic Circle, which is 23.4 degrees from the North Pole. Now, the Earth doesn't orbit the sun in a perfect circle. Instead, we go around on an ellipse. Not only the Earth's orbit is elliptical, the sun is in the center of it, but at one of the ellipse focus, that means our distance from the sun varies continuously throughout the year. Because of the tilt of the Earth, on June solstice, the hemisphere north of the equator leans toward the sun. This brings extra solar energy, which fuels the spring and summer. 6 months later, the situation is reversed. The southern hemisphere now leans toward the sun, while the northern hemisphere experiences declining energy, usually in winter. But there's a moment twice a year as we orbit when the sun favors neither hemisphere. At this point, both experiencing 12 hours of daylight at nighttime. This is equinox. As our Earth orbits the sun year by year, the tilt creates the Earth's seasons. And if the Earth wasn't tilted, every day would be like the equinox, with 24 days equally split between day and night, and that would mean no season. Well, that's the end of today. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please subscribe and see you next time.